Hello, this is Zach from U-xer. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use U-xer APIs. U-xer APIs are very useful if you want to integrate U-xer with your automation tool or any third-party applications. So we have actually lots of APIs, but the most common are going to be login, which you need to get a token. And then after this, probably you want to run a job and scenario usually. And also if you want, you can get the results of the execution later on. But in this scenario, what we are going to do is we are just going to use login API to get a token. And afterwards, we are going to run a specific scenario with ID using this one. So here is our list of APIs. We have, as I mentioned, like lots of APIs here. You will not need 99% of them, but just let you know, like lots of things available here. So the first thing is we are going to need to get a token. So I'm just going to go this API here. This is login authentication API. And here, let's say try it out. And then here you just like need to send a couple of parameters, but you don't need account ID. You just need email and password, which I already prepared some testing account here. For example, my mail and password. If I execute it, here is the curl command, actually directly curl command we can transfer, which you can transfer to your application, depends on what you have. And here what you need to get is actually access token. So you need to get this access token to be able to call next API. So in our playground, I will just add this token to here so that I can work around here. So that's done. It's added. So next step is, let's think that we want to run a specific scenario. Okay. So let's come here, find this. It is here. Here, all I need to, after I authenticate is, let's say, try it out. I need to give the ID of the string, ID of the scenario. For example, I have already prepared. There's just like some example scenario. This is one of the example scenarios. As you can see, here is the scenario ID. I will take the scenario ID, take this here, and whenever I will say execute, actually this is just when I click execute, it's the same as if I come here and run all steps. This is going to be directly running this. So if I just like click this, it will start. Let's see. Okay, as you see, it's already started to execute. And this is how you can easily automate everything with third-party tools with U-xer. So this will continue running actually, but let's wait until it does the job. It will just click element buttons and just move a couple of things. So I will just cancel this scenario here. Okay, it is canceled. Now this is how easily you can connect APIs. Also here, the curl command here, as you see, you need to send authorization barrier token, which you get from the login API, and then use it here. Then you should be good to go. So the curl, right, scenario ID, and here is the response body. Where is the request body? Let's see, requests. It just like translate this directly to this URL. So this is how you can easily call a scenario using APIs. But here, if you want to run job, you need to use this. If you want to run the scenario on a specific agent, if you have multiple agents, you can just give agent ID as well. Or if you want to get if you will need to get the response of, if you want to also get the report using APIs, you need to send a request ID as well. But for the moment, everything should be settled. I will also add this video here for you to watch later on. Thanks.